Hi guys, welcome to my ChatWM desktop here. Topic of the video is a new release for the Arch Linux tweak tool. Ctrl-Alt-E or look for your menu and find the Arch Linux tweak tool. What changed? It's ready to open up a browser in Wayland as well, right? So that was a fix we had to do. And thank you for reporting it on the community website. So Ctrl-Alt-B is launching Brave in the Cairo dupes, Cairo discussions, right? Put everything we need to fix and more, right? It's announcements, ideas, polls, Q&A, show and tell. It's all that. And because of that, we tested again. We say, okay, let's see what we can do. So the link here is opening whatever you want with a left click. A right mouse click opens it with something specific that you have, right? If you want to open it with Brave, it will open Brave. Up here it becomes red, which means it's loaded. Same thing here at the end, open. Those guys are working as well, and as well on Wayland. That was the issue. And that's why I always say, guys, Wayland is not a gift, it's not a present for a developer. There's always an issue. There's always something that we need to work around, change things because of the difference between X11 and Wayland, right? And it tends to get frustrating at some point in time. So that's also main reason why we say let's stick to X11, right? Make sure that works properly. And maybe, right, when Wayland also gets a little bit more mature and things can be mixed, like I'll install a Wayland Plasma and have a Hyperland and Wavefire and then maybe Sway and others, right, Niri, etc. And they don't clash with each other. That would be a nice world, right? So we'll wait for that to happen. So what we've done here is the links that we've changed. What we've changed as well in the desktop is announce you that watch out if you install Plasma. Warning, installing Plasma is one way. That was already there. If you click on the button install, there's a new message. You've seen the video I've made. Let me see, you can quickly see probably on my other screen that our Plasma is number 43. So Cairo 043 XFC Wayland session black screen. No, it's 41. My apologies. That's the other one with the word black in it, right? Cairo 041 YKDE Plasma looks partially black. That's the reason here. We tell you here, we tell it in the terminal, we tell it after the installation. Go change it. We won't do it automatically. Plasma is a extra. XFCE is the default. We won't mess up our XFCE, because if we do just an automatic installation, then you don't see anything. Yeah, XFCE is broken basically in design, not broken, in design broken. So if you really want to go for Plasma, all out Plasma, pure Plasma, this is something you need to change. etc environment, put a hashtag in front of it, and no, I don't want to continue, right? This is the HQ. I will not continue. The same thing here as well in GNOME. We made an extra line here saying, guys, they're so complex to remove that you're all in or reinstall, right? So install desktop, all good, go for it, live with it, learn from it. But removing is not an option, not really, because here as well, this is purely not GNOME, but I can show you some packages, but there are other packages that are not called GNOME at all, right? But these, we use these too in our Cairo ISO, and we don't have GNOME, right? So it is a pickle, right? So hence, let's just not do it. And that's it for the changes. Enjoy Cairo, enjoy our Arch Linux tweak tool, which is basically not Cairo alone. So install this on anything you like, as long as it's Arch, right? All right, enjoy.